Hello, everyone. I'm Rupambika Patnaik, Assistant Professor in the Department of Communications of Biju Patnaik Institute of IT and Management Studies, Bhubaneswar. I'm very privileged to be here today to share something on a very trending topic, that is communication in terms of humans versus artificial intelligence. We humans are extremely complex, and we have developed a very complex set of codes known as language. Language, when it comes to language, the language of life, the language of love, there are millions of things in which we have to adopt language as a medium to communicate with. And today, in the corporates, there is a much required skill known as the AI skills or the technical skills, where you have to say or you have to mention how well equipped you are in terms of interacting with the artificial intelligence. Now, if you ask me a question, how does like a human being or how does an artificial intelligence responds to the different codes of conduct that we have? If you talk of human beings, you have a friend beside you when you're very upset, when you're very sad, and you have somebody comforting you right beside you. That is a friend, that is a human. But when it comes to artificial intelligence, it can only give you pre-generated and pre-recorded data, or some statements which might make you feel good for very short period of time, but it is not going to act with empathy. Coming to chatbots, coming to virtual assistants, and coming to AI powered tools, they can definitely mimic the human conversation, but they can never infuse emotions, cultural contexts, experiences from the backgrounds into it. Now, coming to the second aspect where I can discuss about human language, which is deeply rooted with emotions, which has a lot of storytelling into it. Now, if you talk about your mythologies, which has come to you through storytelling, AI can give you a exact, kind of fact, or AI can give you what is required for you to know about it. But when it comes to storytelling, when it comes to know about the emotion or anything that was associated with that particular storytelling long back, humans will be the best source, definitely. And we must have in mind that we humans, we have made AI. AI should not be controlling us. Rather, we should know the proper language to control AI. Now, there are a number of nuances that AI struggles with to grasp what is being told. Now, when it comes to human communication, it is absolutely a rich amalgamation of tone, context, body language. But when it comes to AI, I must say that it's a big failure while judging the tone, context, body language, in which context a human is speaking, or in which context we are trying to express our own thoughts and emotions. Now, coming to different sets. Now, if we break these concepts into smaller parts, we'll realize that AI will never be, definitely will never be able to judge your tone of sarcasm, or it will never be, understand the irony in it. Now, if you say, oh, great, this might be a tone of sarcasm, but AI will only understand that these are simple words which ends with an exclamation, oh, and it's a matter of surprise. AI lacks an empathy when it comes to understanding and generating, understanding and generating responses, which we humans at point of time we feel that, we should be kind of more empathetic with our approach. AI is not the medium to interact with when it comes to your emotions. AI generates responses according to the cues or pre-generated data that we have. To comfort a friend, as I've mentioned earlier, we definitely need a human friend. Creativity and storytelling has already been discussed, where AI lacks personal experiences to influence storytelling, and it gives us responses which are absolutely can be predicted with our own set of emotions. Humans infuse personal experiences and emotions and cultural backgrounds. Now, when it comes to body language, facial expressions, shared cultural understanding, and emotional conditions, AI is not the right fit to look into it. AI lacks physical presence, ability to read nonverbal cues, And definitely, it is not a responsible factor to look into the ethical concerns. With this, I would like to conclude that AI, without AI, we are nothing today. But yet, it should be used as a tool which helps us in our day to day activity, not the ones to control us. We should know the proper language so that we could use AI for our own benefit and not let us control us in our day to day life. Because somewhere or the other, we know that there is an unintended discrimination when it comes to responses in terms of AI and it lacks inclusivity. So thank you. Have a great day.